Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair shop in Holland, Michigan. Today I have this video for you. I've kind of experienced a lot of PS4 Pros running extremely hot, and the fan runs so loud, looks like it's going to take off. After a few experiences, so I decided to kind of dig deeper and find out that the problem is not just to clean up this fan here, which most likely it gets dirty and a lot of dust gets inside. And so after I clean up that, the unit still keeps running hot, and it runs louder if I play online. But if I play the disc, not so much, but still it wasn't comfortable. So after I pulled everything apart, and as you can see, I put thermal paste, but when I pulled it apart, all this cooling system over here was actually full of kind of a dust and a lot of lint, like from clothes or whatever. So it was all around and inside. So apparently the fan was running loud because it couldn't actually cool the system, and it was overheating. So I did this, and I have already pulled this apart, but it's fully working and it's super quiet. I did it, and right now all my systems that I get in the store with that problem, I actually fix them up. After I clean them deep and run some air compressor in there, and it's quiet. Looks like the unit is not even on. And then obvious thermal paste and put them together, and they're back to go. So if you do have this issue, and if your unit is running hot and the fan is like kicking so hard it looks like it's taking off, I would recommend this option, and you should have a unit repaired. But if you are not experienced enough on doing this yourself, I'd recommend seek for a technician or someone that has the experience. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, you can leave comments below and I'll try to answer them. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel, and time to time I come up with videos on how to do things and avoid to spend money if you can. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you.